Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. FDA approves first treatment for Menkes disease in children. Mednews. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved Zycubo, copper histidinate, injection as the first treatment for Menkes disease in pediatric patients. Zycubo is a copper replacement therapy given by subcutaneous injection. The approval is based on results from 2 clinical trials that showed children who began treatment within 4 weeks of birth had a 78% reduction in the risk of death compared to untreated patients. Nearly half of early treated patients survived beyond 6 years, with some surviving more than 12 years. Substantial survival benefits were also seen in children who started treatment more than 4 weeks after birth. The most common side effects of Zycubo included infections, respiratory problems, seizures, vomiting, fever, anemia, and injection site reactions. Patients receiving Zycubo will need to be closely monitored for potential copper toxicity. The FDA stated that with this approval, children with this devastating, degenerative disease will have an approved treatment option and the potential to live longer. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.